Which room is it?
There's a cat on the sofa, and there's a phone on a small table next to the sofa. There's a CD player with some CDs under it. Not a lot of CDs. There isn't a TV, and there aren't any pictures or photographs on the walls. There's one lamp. It's next to the table with the phone. There are 2 tables and 2 armchairs. There are some books under one of the tables.
Vancouver, the best city in the world.
Vancouver is called the best city in the world. Why? Is it the spectacular mountains, the beautiful beaches, the excellent shops and restaurants? It's all of this and more.
Where is it?
Vancouver is in southwest Canada, next to the Pacific Ocean, 24 miles from the U.S. border.
When to go?
It is always a good time to visit Vancouver. The weather is never too cold or too hot. It is warm and sunny in summer, but it rains a lot in autumn and winter.
What to do?
In spring, go skiing in the mountains in the morning and sunbathe on the beach in the afternoon. In summer, go swimming, sailing, or fishing, or go walking in North America's biggest park, Stanley Park. There are excellent shops in Yaletown, and there is also theater, opera, and music of every sort. Vancouver is the city of festivals.
Where to eat?
Vancouver is a cosmopolitan city, so there are French, Italian, Japanese, Indian, Thai, and Chinese restaurants. Vancouver's Chinatown is the second biggest in North America, after San Francisco. There is also a lot of delicious fresh seafood.
Where to stay?
In the busy city center, there are some excellent expensive hotels. The beautiful Fairmont Hotel is $400 a night, but next to the sea, there are a lot of cheap, comfortable hotels from $59 a night.
How to travel?
You don't need a car in Vancouver. There are slow, old trolley buses, and there is the fast, modern SkyTrain. Take the ferry. It is a great way to see the city.
My hometown.
Hi, my name's Steve, and I live in Vancouver. I work at an international bank in the center of the city, but I live in English Bay, near the beach. I have a small apartment there. Vancouver's a great city. It's really cosmopolitan. People from all over the world live here. Every Friday, after work, my girlfriend and I go to Chinatown and have delicious Chinese food. It's my favorite. I like the weather because it's never too hot or too cold. But it rains a lot, and I don't like that. I work hard and I play hard. I love sport, and Vancouver's good for so many sports. In winter, I go skiing every weekend. I like snowboarding too. In summer, I go swimming and I play golf. I often go cycling with my girlfriend. Sometimes we cycle along the Vancouver seawall to the park, Stanley Park. The mountains look fantastic from there. Why doesn't everyone want to live in Vancouver? It's the best place to live in the world.